Rodriguez family buys 4 student tickets and 2 adult tickets to a school play for a total of $22. The Delgado family buys 2 student tickets and 3 adult tickets for $21. What is the price of an adult ticket to a school play? This is system of equations, boys and girls. Not fun at all. Let's call student tickets X and adult tickets Y. So 4 student tickets, so 4 X's, plus 2 adult tickets plus 2Y is going to be 22, the Taylor Swift special. The Delgado family, the family of cats, 2 X's, so 2 student tickets, 2X, 3 adult tickets, 3Y is going to equal a cost of $21. All right. So algebraically, I'm going to use elimination. It's probably the easiest way to go because I'm looking at my X's here. And also, they want me to solve just for Y. They only want the Y. So I'm thinking, all right, if I can get rid of the X's and get Y's all by itself, I'm home free. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use elimination, but in order to use elimination, you need to make sure one of the variables are the same but opposite. If I were to make 2x negative 4x, this 4x and the negative 4x would disappear. So I'm going to multiply the bottom row by negative 2. Now that means the top row stays the same. 4x plus 2y equals 22. The bottom row, we're going to multiply everything by negative 2. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times positive 3y is negative 6y. And negative 2 times 21 is negative 42. Now we add the rows knowing that the x's will go away. When you add the rows, the x's go away. 2y minus 6y is negative 4y. 22 minus 42 is negative 20. To solve for y, you do the opposite of times negative 4, which is divide negative 4 from both sides. You cross out y equals positive 5. Now, normally, we would plug this into one of the equations and find out x, but I don't have to. All I have to do is find out my adult ticket, which is y. So, y, adult tickets, are going to cost $5, which is going to be B.